Hi guys, I wanted to show you guys another sneak peek of my digital that I've been working on. So I've been working on this digital, and then I saw Kylie released her digital this week, and how perfect, does that look? I just love how perfectly it goes together. So of course I purchased this kit and a couple others, and I was just going to show you guys some more because I do love mixing papers, and if somebody else made something, I will, I love working with different, with different kits. I think that's great. So I started printing some of these out so I can use with my new digitals. My digitals aren't released yet, but I just wanted to print some of hers. And then this one is by Vilma, and this is so cute. Okay, so yeah, I love some of these that she has in her shop, and she's having a sale now, so you guys should go pick some up because I think they're so pretty. I still can't get over these colors. They just work so perfect. I've been so busy making these digitals, and I still have to get to this flip through, but hopefully this will be coming soon.